Hello everyone, welcome to the cooking series by Roaming Cuisine. Today we are going to make delicious Dhaba style Kaju curry. A rich and creamy Kaju Masala curry is the perfect curry for special occasions. Let's see what all ingredients we need to make this dish. First of all, we will roast few cashews, and for that, take half a cup or 75 grams whole cashews. Put it in a pan with 1 teaspoon of butter. Roast them till they turn into a light brown color and keep it aside. Now let's make a masala paste, and for that, take 2 chopped onions, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 7 to 8 cashews to balance out the taste of gravy. Roast them in a pan with a little butter into it. Once they turn little brown, switch off the gas. Once it cools down, blend it to a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now let's start with the making of curry, and for that keep a kadai on gas. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter into it. Add 1 thinly chopped onion and cook till it gets little pink. Add a masala paste and cook till the raw smell is gone. Add a puree of 2 tomatoes. Let it cook till the oil comes up. The entire cooking process after every ingredient is very important to avoid getting the raw smell. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, preferably a bedgi mirchi, which is less hot but gives a good color to your curry. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of kitchen king masala. Combine all ingredients well. Add a cup of boiled water only. Now we will cook this until we get a thick curry. Make sure you are not making it too runny, as Kaju curry usually have a thick curry. So here curry looks perfect. Now let's add roasted cashews. Garnish with few fresh coriander leaves and kasuri methi. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and a fresh cream to get this soft and creamy texture. Here I am using a fresh milk cream, which is also okay to use. And here we are ready with our super delicious and tasty Kaju curry masala. Serve it with a butter roti, naan or a rashta paratha. You should definitely give a try to this recipe and let me know in the comment section for more such recipes. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!